Hey guys, welcome to my small garage. It's time to change the sprockets and the chain to both my bikes. I usually do this myself. Went online and bought this AFAM tool. It's pretty cheap, 22 euros. Normally it's a very good tool, but in some of the reviews people complain that it bent a little bit when they use it. So I want to try it on both the bikes and see if it works. It's really small. It has some guidance here on the back, so it's pretty easy to use. I will skip the part with the replacement the sprockets and taking off the chain. There are a lot of tutorials that show you this. I just want to test this tool, this AFAM chain riveter, to see if it works. Let's go. These are the parts. This one comes in the back of the chain, and we have to be sure that the rivets are coming in this groove, and this one on the front of the chain with the screws on this side. Also, we have to use a wrench to block this part on the ground in order not to move. Okay guys, so one chain is ready. The link is on place. It's ready for riveting. Okay, so for the first part, let's put them on, and the other one. Okay, let's put the screws by hand. Now we have to use a wrench to block it in place, and now with the imbus number 5, we should tighten them bit by bit until this part here touch the link. That's about it. You can see it, but it touches the link. And on this side, same. So normally it should be ready. I just want to see if it can move more. No, this is done. And this one just a little bit. Okay, let's untie it and see what we have. And this is how it looks. I think it looks really good. So use this part now. Wanted to tighten a little bit more. Just to make sure it's on the pin. It is. And now let's try. Let's use the key. I think it's enough. let's do the other one. And I think it's enough. Well, job done. I think it looks good. Okay, so we have some marks here from the pin, which I think it's not much. This looks good. No marks here. Still straight. So it didn't bend, did his job for two chains, one 520 and one 525.